Hello and welcome to the channel. Recently made a video on the Parkside cordless ratchet, and I mentioned that the switch was rather annoying on the side, and I was going to take the spring out or remove the switch. However, I was looking at it earlier on, and what I decided to do is, rather than opening it up, I was told that there's also a screw behind this label here. So for those of you who don't know, you have to press this button in before this one will work. Because of that, I thought if I open up and take the switch out or remove the spring, I might create problems with things getting into there. So what I actually decided to do was, if you push this all the way through, and then you'll see I drilled a hole 4.5 millimeters in this side of the switch. I did it from underneath. I pressed a bit too hard, which is why I went all the way through. It was softer than I thought it was going to be, so I've damaged it slightly there, but it's not too bad. So push that. Then I took a rivet. If you can see that, I flattened the side off there, and I've cut the pin that comes out of the rivet. And what that does then, that goes through that hole, push it down, and it holds it perfectly fine. So I can take it out again if I want to. I can just leave it in, it makes no difference. I always take the battery out when it's in the case anyway. So that's just there. Works perfectly fine. Saved me having to press the button, and to get it back out again, just push that side all the way in and push it back out, and it will slide out. But it's quite secure and it doesn't get in the way. Perfectly fine. Thank you for watching.